Hi everybody.
Hi there.
We took a day trip. We're going down to Crystal River and we're going to try the Crab Plant restaurant. It's been highly recommended by some folks in the villages. You can see we're at a real scenic area. Crystal River.
How long did it take us to get here?
It took about 40 minutes to get here, I think, maybe in that neighborhood, maybe a little more. Traffic was really easy today. So we're going to go check it out and we'll let you know what it's like.
Street. Go down there and get fresh fish. Oh, that smells great. We'll get on first.
There goes Linda and Dorothy. They're going to explore. It's a little early. It's only 11:15 a.m. I believe the restaurant entrance is probably right over there. Doesn't look like much on the outside. Hopefully it lives up to its reputation as great seafood. Anything interesting out there?
No fish. No, they caught them all. No fish, but there's some restaurants and stuff all along around.
An ice cream shop.
Kind of touristy. I wonder if those are rentals, probably.
Well, we have decided not to eat here at the Crab Plant because a lady going in said it's good, but the catch of the day might be hogfish. And she said
It looks like a pig.
she said it's pretty good, but it smells a little bit like a hog. So there's another restaurant right over that way, so we're going to go try out Crackers. All right, guys, we're at a place called the Crackers Bar and Grill. So we're going to go in and give that a try. It's supposed to have a nice ambiance and be on the water. And look, we messed up, didn't we? Linda is supposed to be over here, isn't she? But she's not. She's over here right now. So we're going to go in Crackers. Ready? Over here at Crackers. It's very nice. It's got these little bamboo umbrellas. Nice dock. You can see another view of that Pete's Marina that I took a while ago. We were just actually over there near that green building. That's the Crab Plant right there. So we're gonna have lunch right here. This is my good friend Ron Poole. Ron's set to enjoy a fish dinner here. And we're waiting for the girls who have made the obligatory restroom stop. We'll let you know how the meal goes. What'd you order?
We ordered fish and chips because we're at a seafood place.
That's right. How about you, Dorothy? What are you gonna have?
I'm having coconut shrimp.
I'm gonna have crab cakes.
Because he's crabby.
Crabby old man.
All right, and Linda and I are gonna share.
Yes, we are.
Not so much because I'm a tightwad, just not that hungry this morning.
No, I ate breakfast at 9:30.
We'll let you know how it tastes.
Fish was excellent, and I had even had a surprise scallop on my plate, which was amazing.
It was fried cod. Mine was great. And you had
Coconut shrimp was awesome.
awesome coconut shrimp.
Crab cake.
Crab cakes. They did look good.
And the slaw.
So I think the verdict here was the food was great, and our waiter, Dylan, was an exceptionally good waiter.
Very good.
He's a recent graduate of Alabama. Nobody's perfect, but he was a good waiter. So
You're going to get a response.
this is only about a quarter of a mile, maybe half mile from Crackers Restaurant. But if you know me and Linda, you know we like stores with all this whimsical stuff. And I don't know if they're open or not. There are no vehicles here, but it looks like a neat place to stop and see what's going on. So we're going to go inside Willow Creek Secret Garden, see what kind of things they have.
Look at these chain pools.
Kara would love this turtle. Look at that.
Look at these chain pools.
This is a small building, but it is full of neat things.
It blows up like that.
It's a sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Yeah.
Urchin. Oh, this is for little kids.
But you know what I always say? Where does whimsical stop and tacky begin? I'm predicting we do not get out of here unscathed. Linda is pretty excited over some of these items she's seeing.
Ron, I just saw one of these. Ron, I just saw one of these yesterday in the Lanai. We need one. Did you?
We've also got a single one by hanging by his arm over there.
Arr. I think you could visit this store every day for a few weeks and not see everything. We have found our way to the Crystal River State Park, and we're going to take a 90-minute boat ride. It's going to go to the Archaeological dig and then back out to the Gulf. And we'll film more of it as we take our ride. This is about 3 or 4 minute drive, maybe 5 minutes from the restaurant we just ate in Crystal River. So totally 45-50 minutes from the villages.
Getting ready to board a boat. Watch your steps. Okay.
Gail, are you the captain?
No, I am the first mate.
First mate.
The captain runs over somebody in the water. So we definitely don't want that to happen. Other than that, it should be a good trip. I wasn't here this morning, so I don't know what they saw this morning. Yeah.
Alright, how do you get at them?
We pull that up.
Okay. What about the one under you?
These are for children.
Those are the kids. You gotta double up with those.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, folks, I gotta sound the ship's whistles when we're getting out of here. And let's get the air conditioning on. Ready?
Yeah. Here. And we see the little babies with their heads stuck up there too. It looks like the little ones got their heads stuck up. By the Friends of the Crystal River State Preserve. The Crystal River State Preserve is 27,000 acres. 18,000 of those are tidal marsh. It starts up in Yankeetown, and it extends for 20 miles down the coast all the way down to Homosassa. 600 islands in it, and it's part of the St. Martin's Aquatic Preserve. Okay, but that's a brand new one this year. We'll talk more about eagles in a little bit. I just wanted to point that one out. Over to your right is another osprey taking a picture of there. Those are actually condominiums, and they're kind of unique in that only the ones on each end have been occupied. They've been there for about 10 years, and for some reason the ones in the middle have never been occupied. Last time I looked at them about 5 years ago, they were not even completed inside. So that bird that's sitting there on the sign is a golden from around 500 BC to around 1000 AD by a group of Native Americans that archaeologists have given the name Coastal River Dwellers. It consists of 61 acres, and it was an area of celebration for the Coastal River Dwellers. Is a site that I will guarantee you the Coastal River Dwellers did not see. That is the Duke Energy Complex. The Duke Energy Complex is one of the largest electrical generating complexes in the took it to the park archaeologist, and the archaeologist took one look at it and said that's the axial vertebrae from a mastodon. So they definitely roamed in this area. Oh, we got a great blue heron and a little tricolor heron there. Anyway, if you're interested in that, at the University of Florida over in Gainesville, there is the Museum of Natural History. It is free, so I do encourage you to visit it because they've got a lot of skeletons, fossils, and a lot of historic information. It's very interesting. They also have a butterfly museum there. It is not free, but it is also very interesting.
Well, we're back at the dock. Our tour is over, so that'll do it for this episode. Appreciate everybody watching.
You had a great time.
We'll see you when you get here.